I went to put this aloe vera juice back into the refrigerator, and there was like a can of condensed milk that spilled and got all over. This is all my cheese products that are in here that go in my refrigerator, so I need to clean that. And I cleaned up the majority of it, but there's still some leaking down there still. So then I need to use this ground beef for dinner. What is that? A dried up carrot? Oh my god, that's so gross. So I was gonna go to the grocery store today, and I planned on cleaning out my refrigerator anyway, because that's what I do before I go to the grocery store. So maybe I'll take you guys along with me to the grocery store. I still haven't gotten dressed. I'm still in my pajamas, looking cute as ever.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical.
light bulb keeps going out, but so I used to want to keep fruits and vegetables here, but I can't keep fruits and vegetables here because it's so cold that they get frozen. So this is my leftovers, and then I keep my dairy over here, mostly just butter and like sour cream, and then my eggs here, and then this is bacon, lettuce, tomato. It's like a meal all in here. So that's going to be BLTs, and then this is grilled steak, hot dogs, and smoked chicken quarters. And then I need to get milk, obviously, and then this is my cheese bin, and this is my fruits and vegetables bin. And then I've got a ton of ground beef. I'm probably gonna make a big casserole, and I just realized, listen, when you guys are cleaning, normally you're supposed to clean from top to bottom and do the bottom last. I did it kind of wonky because of my situation with the spillage, but I really should have just started from top to bottom. It would have saved a lot of time, but it's not too bad. Now I need to go through my condiments. Some of this stuff I can get rid of.
I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Don't let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you.
So here's what my refrigerator looks like after I've gotten home from the grocery store. I've got my lemon and lime and a homemade balsamic vinaigrette, and then I've got all my hot dog and hamburgers, condiments. I need to get more pickles. And then I have my salad dressings, like my teriyaki and barbecue sauce as well. And a little chocolate syrup hidden back there. And then I've got salsa and sauces and jelly and some almond flour, flaxseed, and superfruit greens. And then down here I have some ground beef. I'm gonna make a casserole tonight. I have some yogurt. This is my cheese drawer. This is my fruits and vegetables drawer. And then I've got a cucumber back there, and then this is a zucchini. And then I've got my, yes, it is yummy. I've got my Lactaid, a cauliflower, 2% milk for the girls. And here I have ingredients for BLTs. My tomato, my bacon, my lettuce, tomato. And then in here is my meat. I've got hot dogs and steak and a little bit of chicken left, and some organic yogurt, 3 dozen of eggs, a carton of strawberries, and my leftovers, which is steel cut oats. There is a roast back there. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is a steak that my husband had. This is chicken noodle soup, and this is a marinara sauce. And then in my freezer is a wreck, but I have strawberry popsicles, like a strawberry yogurt popsicles, some hash browns, some lasagna rolls, a turkey or a ham, I don't remember, vegetables, pizza, edamame, cauliflower, chicken breast, an ice pack in case somebody gets hurt, which always happens. These are ice packs. They can also be hot. They're hot cold packs for back aches and body aches. Some breaded chicken tenders, jalapeno peppers, chicken breast, hash browns, another ice cold pack for our boo-boos, onion rings, chicken fried rice, 2 packs of that, some spinach, dark cherries, peaches, and smoked chicken, which we'll probably end up giving that to the dog, and frozen pineapple chunks, and those are for smoothies. And then in here I've got some more Caribbean popsicles and some organic strawberry popsicles, and oh my god, my freezer is disgusting. But I'm not gonna clean my freezer because we're moving soon and I have to clean it anyway. So that's it, right Erin?
Yep.
That's it. Say, we have lots of yummy food now.
We have lots yummy food now.